Hello students, based on the topics which we have covered till now, today we will discuss questions from NCERT book and some questions from the entrance exams like JEE and NEET. First of all students, let me tell you or let me revise you one thing which we had discussed earlier also, that for n atoms in a lattice, number of tetrahedral voids is 2n, that is double of n, and octahedral voids is n. So using all these fundamentals, now we will determine or we will see how to find simplest formula of a compound from relative positions of the constituent atoms or ions of a solid. So this question is from NCERT book. Now, question is, a compound is formed by two elements X and Y. So we have two elements X and Y. Atoms of element Y make CCP, that is a cubic closed packed structure, and those of element X, those of element occupy all the octahedral voids. And the question is, what is the simplest formula of the compound? So students, see the solution now. We have two elements X and Y. Now atoms of Y make CCP. Students, CCP is also called FCC lattice, so face centered cubic, and X occupy all the octahedral voids. So we have X atoms occupying octahedral voids. Now we have to determine simplest formula of the compound. So students, since Y atoms adopt CCP or FCC lattice, we know that in FCC lattice per unit cell we have how many atoms? 4. So we have 4 atoms of Y in 1 unit cell. So n we have what? 4. Octahedral voids we have n, that means 4. So when we simplify this, we get 1 is to 1. So the formula from this is X, Y. So students, answer to the question 1 is X, Y. Now, next question is, atoms of element B form HCP. So we have B adopting hexagonal closed packed lattice, and those of element A occupy 2/3 of the tetrahedral voids. So where are A atoms? They are occupying 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. Now students, we know this, that in a HCP unit cell we have 6 atoms per unit cell, and number of tetrahedral void will be double of this. So we have twice of 6, that means 12, but how many are occupied? Only 2/3. So solving this, we get 24 is to what? 18, which can be simplified as what? 4 is to 3. So formula becomes A4 B3. So this is the answer of question number 2 from NCERT book. Now student, next question is okay, a compound is formed by two elements M and N. The element N forms CCP. So where is N? N is is in CCP lattice, and atoms of M occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. So atoms of M occupy 1/3 of tetrahedral voids. So students, since this arrangement is CCP, or CCP is also called FCC, so we have 4 atoms per unit cell. So therefore we have 8 tetrahedral voids, because tetrahedral voids are double of the atoms. And since only 1/3 are occupied, so we have 8 by 3 is to 4, which can be written as 8 is to 12, or we simplify it as what? 2 is to 3. 4 to 8. So the answer is M2N3. So students, these were some questions from NCERT book, and let me tell you students, these questions form the basis of many questions which are frequently asked in entrance exams. So now students, will discuss some questions from JEE and NEET exams. Students, the first question was asked in AIEEE 2008. Nowadays we call it JEE exam. Now students, question was, in a compound atoms of Y form CCP. So Y CCP lattice adopt कर रहा है, and those of element X occupy 2/3 of tetrahedral voids. The compound will be, so we need to determine the molecular formula of compound. Now students, we know that since Y is adopting CCP lattice, there are 4 Y atoms per unit cell, as CCP is called also FCC. Number of tetrahedral voids therefore are 8, and how many are occupied? Only 2/3. So when we solve this, we find this is 4 2s are 8. So this is 4 is to 3. 4 by 3 is to 1, or we say it is 4 is to 3. So we have X4 Y 3. So student, the correct answer is option D. Now the next question is, the number of octahedral voids per atom present in a CCP structure is. Question was asked in AIPMT, that is NEET 2012. Now student, क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी लग रहा है, लेकिन एक मिस्टेक है जो कॉमनली स्टूडेंट्स कर जाते हैं इसमें. ध्यान से देखें, द नंबर ऑफ ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स पर एटम पूछा है, पर यूनिट सेल नहीं पूछा है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, जल्दी में ये गलती मत कर जाना. नंबर ऑफ ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स पर यूनिट सेल इन सीसीपी स्ट्रक्चर. कई बार क्या होता है, सीसीपी मतलब एफसीसी. अब एफसीसी में नंबर ऑफ एटम्स पर यूनिट सेल 4 होते हैं. सो देयरफॉर ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स भी पर यूनिट सेल कितने होंगे? 4 ही होंगे. बट स्टूडेंट, क्वेश्चन पर यूनिट सेल नहीं है, पर एटम है. सो 4 एटम के लिए 4 ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड्स हैं, तो एक एटम के लिए एक ही ऑक्टाहेड्रल वॉइड होगा. सो आंसर इज 1, नॉट 4. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन is a very good question. This question was again asked in AIPMT 2012 exam. Now, structure of a mixed oxide is CCP. The cubic unit cell is composed of oxide ion. जिसका मतलब हुआ oxide ions, they adopt CCP lattice. So oxide ions are in CCP lattice. 1/4 of the tetrahedral voids are occupied by divalent metal A. So we have a divalent metal A, which means divalent means A2 positive ions we have, and they are occupying 1/4 of what? Tetrahedral voids. And octahedral voids are occupied by a monovalent metal B. So we have a monovalent metal B occupying octahedral voids. Now the question is, the formula of oxide is, now again students, oxide ions are in CCP, that means there are 4 oxide ions per unit cell. B ions are occupying octahedral voids, that means there are B1 positive ions. How many? 4. Tetrahedral voids will be double of this, that is 8. And how many are occupied? 1/4 of 8. So we get 2:4:4, which can be simplified as 1:2:2. So from this we get formula A1 B2 O2. So it is A1 B2 O2. That is, correct answer is option D. Now next we have 4th question. Now this question is from KVPY 2017 exam. A mineral consists of CCP structure formed by oxide ions. So again student, this lattice has oxide ions adopting CCP lattice, where half the octahedral voids are occupied by aluminium ions. So we have aluminium ions occupying half the octahedral voids, means half of octahedral voids. And 1/8 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by manganese 2 positive ion. So we have 1/8 of tetrahedral voids are occupied by manganese. Now the chemical formula of this mineral is, so student, again this question has oxide ions in CCP lattice. So we have 4 oxide ions per unit cell, half of octahedral voids, we have 4, then 1/8 tetrahedral voids, double of 4, that is 8. So when we simplify this, we get 1, this is 2, this is 4. So it is 1:2:4. So we have 1 manganese, 2 aluminium ions and 4 oxide ions. That is, formula is manganese Al twice O4. Manganese Al twice O4. So student, correct answer is option B. Students, now we will discuss some questions from JEE Advanced level exam. So first question is, if the unit cell of a mineral has CCP array of oxygen atoms with m fraction, so mth fraction of the octahedral voids are occupied by aluminium ions and n fraction of the tetrahedral holes occupied by magnesium ions, then m and n respectively are. So students, इस क्वेश्चन में आपको एक मिनरल है जो कि ऑक्साइड है adopting CCP lattice. So students, oxide ions adopting CCP lattice, which means we have how many? 4 oxides adopting 4 oxides per unit cell. M fraction of the octahedral voids are occupied by aluminium ions. So aluminium ions are occupying M fraction. So I can say of what? Octahedral holes. And nth fraction of tetrahedral holes are occupied by magnesium ions. So we have magnesium ions occupying nth fraction of what? Tetrahedral holes. And now we have to find out what is M and N. So students, in this question, see, we have oxide ions. How many? Since oxide ions are in CCP, we have 4 oxide ions per unit cell. So the total charge due to oxide ions in this lattice will be 4 into -2, that is -8. Now students, we know that overall a crystalline solid or ionic solid is electrically neutral, which means the total positive charge should be equal to the total negative charge. Now students, let we have x aluminium ions. So हम ये assume कर रहे हैं x aluminium ions है and हमारे पास magnesium ions कितने हैं, y हैं. So aluminium ion एक के ऊपर 3 पॉजिटिव चार्ज है, तो x के ऊपर आयंस के ऊपर कितना चार्ज होगा, 3x. सिमिलरली पॉजिटिव चार्ज मैग्नीशियम की वजह से भी होगा, कितना, एक के ऊपर 2 पॉजिटिव, y magnesium ions, so we have 2y, and this must be equal to the negative charge which is 4 into, so it is 8. So total positive must be equal to total negative charge. Now this equation suggests that for this equation 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, x should be what? X should be 2 and y should be 1. Now, so we have how many aluminium ions? 2. And how many magnesium ions? We have 1. Now students, see this. We know that mth fraction of the octahedral voids are occupied by aluminium ions. So mth fraction of octahedral voids are occupied by aluminium ions. So m ढूंढना है हमें. So m into octahedral voids कितने होंगे अगर ये 4 हैं, तो there will be 4. और we have how many aluminium ions? 2. So from this m will be 2 by 4, which is 1 by 2. Similarly students, nth fraction of the tetrahedral holes are occupied by magnesium ions. So n magnesium ions are in tetrahedral holes. So tetrahedral holes will be double, that is 8, and we have how many magnesium ions? 1. So we write here 1. So n will be 1 by 8. So m and n respectively are 1 by 2 and 1 by 8. So which is option A. Now students, the next question is again from JEE Advanced exam, and this is a multiple choice question, which mean एक से ज्यादा ऑप्शन भी करेक्ट हो सकता है. Now students, the question is the correct statement or statements for CCP 3-dimensional structure is /R. So आपको इन 4 statements में से correct statements को देखना है. Now students, the first statement is the number of neighbors of an atom present in the topmost layer is 12. Now listen, पहली लुक में स्टूडेंट्स ये सही लगता है हमें, कि क्योंकि हमें पता है सीसीपी लैटिस में कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 12 होता है. लेकिन ध्यान से स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन में ये है कि टॉप मोस्ट लेयर में क्या कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 12 होगा. सो स्टूडेंट्स लिसन, हमने कहा था कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 12 क्यों होता है, 6 ऑफ द सेम लेयर, 3 ऑफ द लेयर अबव इट एंड 3 ऑफ द लेयर बिलो इट. सो इसीलिए वो 12 होता है. बट व्हेन एटम इज ऑफ टॉप मोस्ट लेयर मीन्स वो एटम, उसके ऊपर कोई है ही नहीं. सो दैट मीन्स ये वाले 3 ये तो होंगे ही नहीं. सो कोऑर्डिनेशन नंबर 9 होगा, 12 नहीं होगा. सो दिस इज नॉट करेक्ट. नाउ efficiency of an atom, efficiency of atom packing is 74%. Now this is a fact that CCP has 74% packing efficiency. So this is correct statement. Now the number of octahedral voids and tetrahedral voids per atoms are 1 and 2. Now students, we know that in CCP there are 4 atoms per unit cell, and octahedral voids 4 ही होंगे, tetrahedral voids double 8 होंगे. बट per atom पूछा है, तो एक एटम के लिए ये 1 और ये 2. So this seems to be correct. Now the next is the unit cell H length is 2 under root 2 times the radius of atom. Now student, we know that for CCP, which is FCC also. Now for FCC we know that R is A upon 2 root 2. Radius is always edge length divided by 2 root 2. So therefore A, that is edge length, is 2 root 2 times R. So therefore this statement is also correct. So student, the correct answer of this question was option B is correct, option C is correct, option D is correct. Thank you students. In next lecture we will discuss how to calculate packing efficiency. Thank you.